Good morning, students. Yesterday in the last class we have been completed exercise 7.2. The continuation of that we are going to start exercise 7.3. Write the first problem. Find the integral of sine square 2x plus 5 into dx. Integral of sine square 2x plus 5 into dx. It is in the form of sine square x. From trigonometry, we know cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. If you consider in terms of sine, if you consider in terms of cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. It is 1 minus 2 sine square theta if we consider in terms of sine theta. From this 2 sine square theta, that is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. From this formula, we write this integral as, here what is theta? 2x plus 5. From this formula it becomes 1 minus cos 2 into 2x plus 5 by 2 dx. 1 by 2 is constant into integral of 1 minus cos, take this 2 into bracket, it becomes 4x plus 10 into dx. 1 by 2 into integral 1 dx, that is x minus, it is in the form of cos x. We know integral cos x is sin x. So integral cos 4x plus 10 is sin of 4x plus 10 by derivative of this 4x plus 10, that is 4 plus c. You observe while integrating, integral cos x is sin x. We know the formula, integral cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. In place of x we have 4x plus 10. So integral cos 4x plus 10 dx is sin 4x plus 10 by derivative of this 4x plus 10, that is 4. Next, second one. Integral of sin 3x into cos 4x into dx. In trigonometry we have one formula, 2 sin a cos b, that is written as sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Now we write this integration as 1 by 2 into 2 sin 3x cos 4x into dx. Now it is in this form. Here a is sin 3x, b is cos 4x. On applying this formula, we get 1 by 2 into integral of sine of a plus b, sine of a plus b, 3x plus 4x, 7x, plus sine of a minus b, that is 3x minus 4x, which is minus x, into dx. 1 by 2 into integral of sine 7x, sine of minus x, that is minus sine x, into dx. 1 by 2 into, we know the formula, integral sine x is minus cos x. So, integral sine 7x is minus cos 7x by derivative of 7x. In place of x, we have 7x. You write this derivative, that is 7, minus integral sine x minus cos x, minus into minus plus cos x plus c. Next, third one, integral cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 6x. We write it as 1 by 2 into integral cos 2x into 2 cos 6x into cos 4x dx. Here multiply and divide with 2. Why we multiply and divide with 2? Now it is in the form of 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. From trigonometry we know 2 cos a cos b is taken as cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Here we express this product as sum by using this formula, 1 by 2 into integral cos 2x into, here a is 6x, b is 4x, 2 cos a cos b, that is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, cos of a plus b, 6x plus 4x, 10x, plus cos a minus b, 6x minus 4x, 2x into dx. 1 by 2 into, take this cos 2x into bracket, it becomes cos 10x into cos 2x plus cos 2x into cos 2x, cos square 2x dx. Again, write this product as sum by multiplying and divide with 2 again. So it becomes 1 by 4 into integral of 2 cos 10x cos 2x plus 2 cos square 2x. Again we express this product as sum by using this same formula. Here a is 10x, b is 2x. From that formula, it is cos of a plus b, 10x plus 2x, 12x, plus cos of a minus b, 10x minus 2x, 8x, plus it is in the form of 2 cos square theta. We write cos 2 theta in terms of cos square as 2 cos square theta minus 1. From this 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. We apply this formula. 2 cos square theta, that is 1 plus cos, what is theta? 2x. So 2 cos square 2x is 1 plus cos 2 into 2x, that is 4x into dx. Now integrate 1 by 4 into, we know integral cos x is sin x. So integral cos 12x is sin 12x by derivative of 12x, that is 12. In place of x we have 12x. So you take the derivative, that is 12. Here also integral cos 8x, that is sin 8x by derivative of 8x, 8 plus integral 1x plus integral cos 4x, that is sin 4x by derivative of 4x by 4 plus c. You observe the difference between integration and derivative here. While integrating, divide with the derivative. While differentiating, multiply with the derivative. While differentiating, what is d by dx of cos 2x minus d by dx of cos 4x minus sin 4x into derivative of 4x in differentiation. In integrating, by derivative of 4x. That is the difference between integration and differentiation. You must write the related formula to each problem. Which formula we substitute, you must write it. Next, fourth one, integral of sin cube 2x plus 1 into dx. Now, this is taken as sin square 2x plus 1 into sin of 2x plus 1. Sin cube x is written as sin square x into sin x. Now this sin square is taken as 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square. Sin square a is 1 minus cos square a into sin of 2x plus 1 into dx. Now take this 2x plus 1 into bracket. We get integral of 1 into sin of, that is sin of 2x plus 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1 into sin of 2x plus 1 dx. Take this integration into bracket. Integral sin 2x plus 1 dx minus integral cos square 2x plus 1 into sin of 2x plus 1 into dx. It is in the form of integral sin x. Integral sin x dx is minus cos x. So integral sin 2x plus 1, that is minus cos 2x plus 1 by derivative of this 2x plus 1, that is 2, minus we can't integrate this directly. Now we use substitution method. Let cos 2x plus 1 is equal to t. To integrate the second part, let cos 2x plus 1 is equal to t. Differentiate derivative of cos x minus sin, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So derivative of this is minus sin 2x plus 1 into derivative of 2x plus 1, that is 2, dx is equal to dt. From this, sin of 2x plus 1 dx is equal to minus dt by 2. Take minus 2 to right hand side. Now we write the second integral as in cos 2x plus 1 is taken as t, so it becomes t square sin 2x plus 1 dx, that is minus dt by 2, minus dt by 2, minus cos 2x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into integral t square, that is t cube by 3 plus c. But from our assumption, what is t cos of 2x plus 1? You substitute t cos 2x plus 1 here, then that becomes minus cos 2x plus 1 by 2 plus t cube cos cube 2x plus 1 by 2 into 3, 6 plus c. Next, integral of sin cube x into cos cube x into dx. Integral of sin cube x into cos cube x into dx. We write this as sin x into cos x whole cube. Sin x into cos x whole cube. Again write it as 2 sin x cos x by 2 whole cube. Here multiply and divide with 2. Why we multiply with 2? If you multiply with 2, 2 sin x cos x is the formula of sin 2x. 2 cube 8, that is constant, 1 by 8 into integral of sin 2x whole cube into dx. Sin 2x whole cube into dx. Now you integrate by using the previous problem. What is the fourth problem? Integral sin cube 2x plus 1. Here it is integral sin cube 2x. We write it as integral of sin square 2x into sin 2x into dx. 1 by 8 into integral of sin square 2x is 1 minus cos square 2x into sin 2x into dx. In the same model, 1 by 8 into, take this sin 2x into bracket, sin 2x minus cos square 2x into sin 2x into dx. 1 by 8 into integral sin 2x minus cos 2x by derivative of 2x, that is 2. Here integral cos square 2x into sin 2x. How can we integrate this? By taking cos 2x is equal to t, the same model. Let cos 2x is equal to t. Now minus sin 2x, derivative of cos 2x, minus sin 2x into derivative of 2x, 2 dx is equal to dt. So sin 2x dx is equal to minus dt by 2. Take minus 2 to right hand side. Minus integral of t square into sin 2x dx minus dt by 2. Minus into minus plus dt by 2. Integral t square dt, t cube. So that is 1 by 8 into integration is completed. So it is 1 by 8 into minus cos 2x by 2 integral t square t cube by 3, 3 into 2 6, that is t cube by 6 plus c. But what is t? Minus cos 2x, you substitute. Cos cube 2x by 6 plus c. In this way, we reduce the higher powers, either sin cube or cos cube or sin square or cos square, into sin x or cos x by using trigonometric formulas and then integrate. Next problem, integral of sin x into sin 2x into sin 3x into dx. It is the product of three terms. Now we express this product into sum by using trigonometric formulas. We write it as integral of 2 sin x sin 2x into sin 3x into dx. Here multiply and divide with 2. You take product of first two terms, or you may take product of last two terms also. Both are right. Now it is in the form of 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b. From trigonometric formulae, 2 sin a sin b is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Write this formula in bracket and apply this formula. 1 by 2 into integral of 2 sin a sin b. Here a is x, b is 2x. From this formula, it is cos a minus b, cos of a minus b, x minus 2x minus x, minus cos of a plus b, x plus 2x 3x into sin 3x into dx. 1 by 2 into integral of cos of minus x, that is plus cos x. Take this sin 3x into bracket, cos x into sin 3x minus sin 3x into cos 3x dx. Again multiply and divide with 2. 1 by 2 into integral of 2 sin 3x into cos x minus 2 sin 3x into cos 3x to dx. Again we express this product into sum or difference. It is in the form of 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. It is the formula of sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Here a is sin 3x, b is a is 3x and b is x. From this formula, it is sin of a plus b 3x plus x 4x plus sin of a minus b 3x minus x 2x. It is in the form of 2 sin a into cos a. 2 sin a into cos a, that is sin 2a. Sin of 2 into 3x, that is 6x dx. 1 by 2 into integral sin x, that is minus cos x. So integral sin 4x, that is minus cos 4x by derivative of 4x, that is 4. In place of x we have 4x. So divide with the derivative of 4x. Integral sin 2x, that is minus cos 2x by derivative of 2x. In place of x we have 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2. Next, integral sin 6x minus cos 6x, minus into minus plus cos 6x by derivative of 6x, that is 6 plus c. You must write the formula, which formula is applied to the problem within the bracket. Seventh, integral of sin 4x into sin 8x into dx. Here also it is the product of two terms. You write this product into sum by using this formula. For applying this formula, multiply and divide with 2. Now it is in the form of 2 sin a sin b. From this formula, it is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, cos of a minus b 4x minus 8x minus 4x minus cos a plus b 4x plus 8x 12x. Integral cos of minus theta, that is plus cos theta. So write it as cos 4x minus cos 12x into dx. Now integrate 1 by 2 into integral cos x, that is sin x. So integral cos 4x, that is sin 4x by, in place of x we have 4x. The derivative of this 4x is 4 minus integral cos 12x sin 12x by derivative of 12x, that is 12 plus c. Next, integral of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx. One minus cos x. 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2 from trigonometric formula. You write in terms of half angle as 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x, that is 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. 2 get cancelled. Sin by cos, tan. So it is tan square x by 2 into dx. But there is no direct formula to integral tan square x dx. Here tan square x is taken as secant square x minus 1, integral of secant square x by 2 minus 1. There is a direct formula to integral secant square x. Integral secant square x dx is equal to tan x. But there is no direct formula to integral tan square x. So tan square x is taken as secant square x minus 1. From that formula it is tan of, in place of x we have x by 2, tan x by 2 by derivative of this x by 2. Derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Integral 1 x plus c. Now 2 goes to numerator. It becomes 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Ninth problem, integral cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx. Now write it as integral of numerator cos x is taken as 1 plus cos x minus 1. Here adding and subtracting 1 by 1 plus cos x into dx. Now divide separately. We get 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x, 1 minus 1 by 1 plus cos x into dx. Integral of 1 minus 1 by 1 plus cos x. In half angle it is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. Integral of 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by cos square, that is taken as secant square dx. Integral 1 dx x minus 1 by 2 into integral secant square x by 2. What is integral secant square x dx? From that formula tan x. So integral secant square x by 2. In place of x, here it is x by 2. So it is tan of x by 2 by derivative of x by 2, 1 by 2 plus c. Here 1 by 2 get cancelled. So it is x minus tan x by 2 plus c. 10th. Integral of sine power 4x into dx. There is no direct formula to either sine square x or sine cube x or sine power 4x. By using trigonometric formulas, we remove the powers and then integrate. Now here the formula of cos 2x, that in terms of sine 1 minus 2 sine square x. From this 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. But here it is sine power 4. We write sine power 4x as sine square x whole square. Sine square x whole square. Integral of sine square x, that is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square into dx. 2 square 4, 1 by 4 into integral of, it is in the form of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab, 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x into dx. But here also there is a square term. We remove this square by using trigonometric formulas, then only integration is possible. Okay, now you see how to remove it. The formula of cos 2x in terms of cos, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. From this 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. So cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. For sine square you take this formula, for cos square you take this formula. Cos square 2x, in place of x, here it is 2x. So this is equal to 1 plus cos 2 into 2x, 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x into dx. Now divide it separately. 1 by 4 integral of 1 plus 1 by 2 plus cos 4x by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 plus cos 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x. Now in this step there are no squares, so we have to integrate this. 3 by 2 into 1, integral 1 dx, that is x, plus 1 by 2 into integral cos 4x. Integral cos x is sin x. So integral cos 4x is sin 4x by derivative of 4x, 4 into 2, 8 minus 2 into integral cos 2x sin 2x by derivative of 2x, that is 2. Here 2 get cancelled, plus c. Integral of cos power 4 2x into dx. Here also in power there is 4. First we remove that power 4 by using trigonometric formulas. We write it as cos square 2x whole square. Cos power 4 is taken as cos square whole square. It is in the form of cos square a. From that formula, cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus 2x by 2. So, cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. But what is a here? 2x. So, it becomes 1 plus cos 2 into 2x, 4x by 2 whole square into dx. It is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We expand it. 2 square 4, that is constant. Integral of a square 1 plus b square cos square 4x plus 2ab 2 cos 4x into dx. But here there is a square term. Now we remove this square term by using this formula. In place of a we have 4x. From this formula it becomes 1 plus cos 2 into 4x, 8x by 2 plus 2 cos 4x into dx. In this way we remove squares or 4 or third degree completely and then integrate. Now integration is possible. 1 by 4 into, now first we separate it. 1 by 2 plus cos 8x by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 plus cos 8x by 2 plus 2 cos 4x. Now integrate. 3 by 2 into 1, integral 1, that is x. Integral cos 8x, sin 8x by 8, 8 into 2, 16 plus 2 into integral cos 4x, sin 4x by derivative of 4x, that is 4, 2 times cancel, plus c. These are very simple problems. Just by reducing its power to ordinary trigonometric function and integrate. Twelfth one. Integral sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx. Sin square x is taken as 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos x. Numerator, we observe that it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So we get 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. These two are same, so they get cancelled. So integral of 1 minus cos x into dx. Now integrate. integral 1 dx x minus integral cos x sin x plus c. Thirteenth, integral cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha into dx. Here observe that we integrate with respect to x, so x is the variable only. Here alpha is some constant, alpha is constant and x is variable. Integral cos 2x, cos 2a, the formula of cos 2a in terms of cos, that is 2 cos square a minus 1. So cos 2x is taken as 2 cos square x minus 1 minus of cos 2 alpha, that is taken as 2 cos square alpha minus 1 by into dx. Take this minus into bracket, numerator becomes 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha, minus into minus plus 1. Here plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Take 2 common from numerator, 2 into cos square x minus cos square alpha by cos x plus cos alpha into dx. You observe that numerator is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Write it as cos x plus cos alpha into cos x minus cos alpha by cos x plus cos alpha into dx. These two terms are same, so they get cancelled. So 2 into integral of cos x minus cos alpha into dx. Now integrate 2 into integral cos x, that is sin x, integral cos alpha. Here alpha is constant. If alpha is constant, then cos alpha is constant. So minus cos alpha into integral 1 dx. It is taken as cos alpha into 1 integral 1 dx, that is x plus c. You observe the difference here. Integrate with respect to x, that means x is the only variable, so alpha is constant. You observe the integration, integral cos x is sin x, but integral cos alpha is, here cos alpha is constant, so that is taken as cos alpha into 1 integral 1 dx is x. Fourteenth, integral of cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x into dx. Integral of one is taken as sin square x plus cos square x plus sin 2x is taken as 2 sin x into cos x. We observe that denominator is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is the formula of a plus b whole square. Denominator is the expansion of sin x plus cos x whole square. Okay. Now you take sin x plus cos x as some t. Let sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Clearly numerator is the derivative of sin x plus cos x. So by substitution method we take sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Differentiate both sides. Derivative of cos x sin x cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So integral of cos x minus sin x into dx, that becomes dt by denominator t square. We write it as t to the power of minus 2. 1 by t square is taken as t power minus 2. It is in the form of integral x power n into dx, where n is minus 2. From that formula, t to the power of n plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. T power minus 1 is 1 by t. So minus 1 by t plus c. But what is t from our assumption? Sin x plus cos x. Plus c. Fifteenth. Integral tan cube 2x into secant 2x. Now here tan cube is taken as tan square 2x into tan 2x. Tan cube theta is tan square theta into tan theta into secant 2x into dx. Now this tan square is taken as secant square minus 1. Tan square theta is taken as secant square theta minus 1 into tan 2x into dx. Now by substitution method we get this integration. Let secant 2x is equal to some t. Now what is the derivative of secant x? D by dx of secant x. Secant x into tan x. So d by dx of secant 2x. Secant 2x into tan 2x into derivative of 2x, that is 2 dx is equal to dt. It becomes integral of secant 2x is assumed as t. So it becomes t square minus 1 into secant x into tan 2x dx. Secant x into tan 2x into dx, that is equal to dt by 2. Take this 2 to right hand side. It becomes dt by 2. 1 by 2 is constant. 1 by 2 into integral of t square minus 1 dt. 1 by 2 into, now integrate, integral t square t cube by 3, because integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n is 2. So we get t cube by 3 minus integral 1 dx x, integral 1 dt. 1 dt is t. If integrated with respect to x, we get x here. Here integrated with respect to t, so we get t. But what is t from our assumption? Secant 2x. You substitute t value here. 1 by 2 into secant cube 2x by 3 minus secant 2x plus c. Integral of tan power 4x into dx. 16th, integral of tan power 4x is taken as tan square x into tan square x. Integral of tan square x into this tan square x is taken as secant square x minus 1. Tan square x is written as secant square x minus 1. Now take this tan square x into bracket. It becomes integral of tan square x into secant square x dx minus integral of tan square x into 1, that is tan square x dx. Now we separate the integration. Now we observe that derivative of tan x is secant square x. From substitution method, if you take tan x is equal to t, then it becomes dt. Let tan x is equal to t. Differentiate derivative of tan x secant square x dx is equal to dt. So first integral becomes integral of tan x is t, t square into secant square x dx, that is dt, minus, here there is no direct formula to tan square x. In previous problems we observe, in this case tan square x is taken as secant square x minus 1. There is a formula to integral secant square x, but there is no formula to integral tan square x. So tan square x is considered as secant square x minus 1 dx. Integral t square dt, t cube by 3 minus integral secant square x dx, tan x, integral 1 dx x plus c. But what is t from our assumption? Tan x. So tan cube x by 3 minus tan x minus into minus plus x plus c. In all these problems we observe how to, when the integration is possible and which function is taken as t, then the function is integrable.